Motorhome motorcycle. Ford Motorhome RV, recreational vehicle. Motorcycle. 2026 Ford Motorhome, USA. Clapperboard video review script 2026 Ford Motorhome, USA. Mic intro. Assalamu alaikum dosto. Aaj hum review karne ya rahi hain ek vehicle jo surf travel ke liye nahi, ba ke ek moving gar hai, 2026 Ford Motorhome. Agar op long road trips, camping ya luxury travel pasand kart hain, to ye video op ke liye perfect hai. Chaliye shuru kart hain, minibus design and exterior. 2026 Ford Motorhome ka design typical trucks jaisa nahi hoda, ye ek luxury home on wheels hoda hai. Exterior highlights. Large boxy structure for maximum space. Big windshield for wide road visibility. Side awning, shade ke liye. Storage compartments for luggage and gear. Optional slide outs jo parking par space double car deet hain. Iska design ek high cheese ke liye bana high. Comfortable long distance living. Gear engine and performance. Ford Motorhome usually based hoda hai Ford E-Series ya Ford Transit platform par. Engine options. 7.3L V8 gas engine. Power. Around 350 horsepower. Torque. Approximately 468 pound-feet. Transmission. 10-speed automatic gearbox. Performance. Smooth highway cruising. Heavy load handling capability. Fuel economy. Approximately 6 to 10 km/h depends on size. Ye speed ke liye nahi. Baake steady our reliable travel ke liye bana hai. House interior and living space. A flat sab say exciting part, interior. 2026 Ford Motorhome K Andar Apco Milta High. Bed sleeping area. Queen size bed. Convertible sofa beds. Cooking kitchen. Mini fridge. Microwave. Stove. Sink. Shower bathroom. Shower. Toilet. Wash basin. TV living area. LED TV. Dining table. Sofa seating. Snowflake extra comfort. Air conditioning. Heating system. Water tank and power generator. Madlab op Jahan Shahin Ruk Car Gar Jaisi Life Enjoy Car Sakti Hain. Shield safety and driving features. Safety features include rear view camera, parking sensors, lane assist new models, cruise control, stability control, large size key wajah say driving thodi practice demand karti high, lekin modern tech ize easy bana deta high. Glowing star unique selling points. Home on wheels concept, perfect for road trips and camping. Self-sufficient water, electricity, kitchen. Spacious interior with luxury feel. Long distance comfort unmatched. Ye vehicle travel co-experience bana deta high, surf journey nahi. Money bag price USA and Pakistan. USA mine 2026 Ford Motorhome key price depend karti high model hour size par. Base motorhome class B small RV. Dollar note around $90,000 minus $120,000. Midsize class C. Dollar note around $120,000 minus $180,000. Luxury models. Dollar note up to $250,000 plus. Pakistan mine import K baud. Money bag approximately 4 crore 10 crore Pakistani rupees, duties plus shipping K soft. Checkered flag final verdict. Agar op. Travel lover hain. Family road trips enjoy kart hain. Yaik unique lifestyle chot hain. To 2026 Ford Motorhome op ke liye best investment ho sakta hai. Ye surf ek vehicle nahi. Ye azadi ka naya tarika hai. Loudspeaker outro. Agar apko ye video pasand aaya ho to like karain, subscribe karain, aur comment mine batayan. Kya op motorhome mine travel karna pasand karang. Allah Hafiz. Small diamond SEO section. Bullseye SEO title. 2026 Ford Motorhome review in Urdu price, features and full tour. Memo YouTube title. 2026 Ford Motorhome full review, luxury RV price and features in Urdu. Page facing up description. Is video mine hum 2026 Ford Motorhome ka complete review kart hain. Isamine apko mile ga interior tour, engine details, features, our Pakistan price. Agar op RV lifestyle ya road trips pasand kart hain to ye video zarur dekine. Key keywords. Ford Motorhome 2026. Ford RV review. Motorhome price in Pakistan. Luxury RV USA. Ford camper van. Label tags. Ford RV. Motorhome review. RV life. Ford transit camper. Luxury motorhome. Fire. Hashtags. Hashtag Ford Motorhome. Hashtag RV life. Hashtag motorhome. Hashtag travel van. Hashtag luxury RV. Right finger YouTube shorts script. Right finger thumbnail text. Right finger voiceover style script.